9th class polynomials second chapter. Polynomials is nothing but the expressions which are not equal to 0. There are some rules for every polynomial. What is meant by a polynomial? Polynomial is nothing but the combination of terms. Their exponents must be non-negative integer or at the same time fraction form. So these are the generally two rules for every polynomial. So x cube. Here how many terms is there? There is a single term. There is a single term in one variable. That variable is called x. X cube plus y square. X cube plus y square. Here it is also a polynomial, but it is in polynomial in two variables. One is x cube. One is x variable and another one is y variable. Suppose x cube plus x square plus 2. X cube plus x square plus 2. It is also a polynomial in one variable. How many variables are there? X, only one variable, that is called x. Okay. So 1 by x cube is a polynomial or not? 1 by x cube can be written as x power minus 3. 1 by x cube can be written as x power minus 3. Here the power is in negative integer. The exponent is in negative integer. So it is called not a polynomial. So suppose x power 1 by 2. Here the power is in fraction format. It is also not a polynomial. X cube plus 1 by x plus 3. X cube plus 1 by x plus 3. Is it a polynomial or not? Here power 3 is a positive integer, so there is not a problem for this term. So let's move on to the next term. Next term is 1 by x. We already know that 1 by a power n can be written as a power minus n. 1 by a power n equal to a power minus n. In the similar way, 1 by x can be written as x power minus 1. 1 by x can be written as x power minus 1. Here the power is in the form of negatives. So it is called it is not a polynomial. So this is not a polynomial. This is not at all a polynomial. So x cube plus 1 by x plus 3 is not a polynomial. X square plus 3x plus 4. Is it a polynomial? Yes, it is a polynomial. Here all are in positive exponents. Here power 2 is positive. Here x power 1 is positive, and it is a constant term. So constant term is also positive. So all are the basic term is you have to x square plus 3x plus 4. It is a polynomial. X plus 1 by x square, is it a polynomial? X plus 1 by x square, is it a polynomial? 1 by x square can be written as x power minus 2. X power minus 2. X plus x power minus 2. So it is a negative integer. So it is not a polynomial. Okay. So these are all about the polynomial, which is polynomial, which is not polynomial. Suppose 1 by y minus 1. Is it a polynomial? It is not a polynomial. Y minus 1 can be written as y minus 1 whole power minus 1. Okay. 1 by y minus 1 can be written as y minus 1 whole power. It is in a fraction format. So it is not a polynomial. Okay. Here the variable is y. Okay. So now let's move on to the next one. So these are all the rules for polynomial. Next, polynomials in one variable. Polynomials in one variable. X square plus x plus 4. How many variables are there? There is only one variable, that is called nothing but the x. Okay. It is called how many variables are there? There is only one variable you have used in this particular expression. Suppose x square plus y square plus z square. X square plus y square plus z square. How many variables are there? X, y, z. There are three variables. Okay. X cube plus y square. How many variables are usually here? How many variables are usually here? x and y. There are two variables, x and y. Two variables. Here only one variable, that is x. Here three variables. There are x, y, z. There are three variables. There is one variable and there is two variables, x and y. Suppose we have next one. Move on to the degree of the polynomial. Degree of the polynomial means we already know that degree means, suppose what is the degree of this expression? Here degree is nothing but the what is the exponent of this particular term? The exponent of this term is 2. What is this term? 1. Here if there is nothing, you have to place you have to place as 1. Here 4 is a constant term. The degree of any constant term can be written as 0. Okay. How can you write it? Can be as a constant term. 4 can be written as 4 into x power 0. 4 into x power 0. X power 0 value is 1. 1 into 4, 4. That's why the degree of 4 is 0. Okay. So what is the largest one among these three terms? 2. So the degree is 2. Whenever 2 is occurred, hence it is called the quadratic polynomial. If the degree is 2, it is called quadratic polynomial. If the degree is 3, it is called cubic polynomial. If the degree is 1, it is called linear polynomial. If the degree is 0, it is called constant polynomial. Okay. If degree is 0, it is called constant. Degree is 1, it is called linear. Degree is 2, it is called quadratic. If degree is 3, it is called cube. If degree is 0, it is called constant. If degree is 1, it is called linear. If degree is 2, it is called quadratic. If degree is 3, it is called cubic polynomial. Okay. These are the rules for polynomial. So what are the examples for constant polynomial? We already told that. Here 4 is called the constant. 4 is called the constant. So 4 by 3, it is also a constant polynomial. Here the degree of this term is 0. Okay. 376. 376 is a constant number. So the degree of any constant number is also 0. So the best examples for constant polynomial is all are numbers or fractions or rational numbers or whatever it is. Okay. Next, move on to the linear polynomial. Linear polynomial means the degree must be equal to 1. The degree must be equal to 1. Okay. Here we are talking about the linear equations in one variable only. So you have to consider x as the one variable. Suppose what is the example for linear polynomial? 3x plus 4. 3x plus 4. Here what is the degree here? What is the degree here? The quotient, the exponent of x is 1. So this is 1. We already know that the degree of 3. 3 is a constant term. That's why the degree of 3 is 0. 0 plus 1, 1. What is the degree of this constant term? Again 0. So which is the largest one among these two? 1 is the largest number. So 1 is the degree of this particular polynomial. Okay. Actually, how many terms are there? There are 2 terms, 3x and 4 are there. Here how many terms are there? 3 terms. 1, 2, 3. How many terms are there? 1, 2, 3. How many terms are there? 1, 2, 3. So the combination of terms is called the expression. The combination of terms is called expression. Okay. So expression, term is also our, degree is also our. Linear equation in one variable is also our linear equation in 2. Nothing but quadratic polynomial. Suppose three x plus 4x plus 5. Here it is the linear equation in one variable. That variable is x. Only the one variable appears here. That is x. So what is the degree here? The degree of this term is 2. The degree of this term is 1. The degree of this term is 0. Okay, here x power 2, x power 1, the degree of constant term is 0. So 3 is the constant term, so the degree is 0. 0 plus 2, 2. 4 is the constant number, so the degree is 0. 0 plus 1, 1. 5 is the 0. 0. So which is the largest one? 2 is the largest one. So the degree of this particular expression is 2. The degree of this particular expression is 2. You already know about the quotient. Quotient means what is the quotient of x square here? The quotient of x square is 3. The quotient of x is 4. Okay. Suppose minus 3x square minus 5x plus 8. What is the quotient of x here? The quotient of x is minus 5. The quotient of x square is 3. Okay. Here there is no quotient. Here the constant term is, what is the constant term among these three terms? 8 is the constant term. Constant term is nothing but does not include any variable. Here it is not a constant term. Of course it is 3 is a constant number, but here it is includes with the x square. That's why it is not a constant number. 8 is the constant number. so 5x is not a constant number. It is a term. Sorry, single term. It is a constant term. Okay, these are the best examples for quadratic polynomial and degrees and quotients. Okay, next move on to the cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial means the degree is 2. Sorry, the degree is 3. 3x cube plus 5x square plus 6x minus 4. 3x cube plus 5x square plus 6x minus 4. Here what is the degree here? The degree of this first term is 3. The degree of this term is 3. The degree of this term is 2. The degree of this term is 1. So the degree of this term is 0. So which is the largest one? 3 is the largest one. So the degree of this particular polynomial is 3. Okay. X cube plus 4. What is the degree here? What is the degree here? Here what? 3. Here 4. So the degree of this constant term is 0. The degree of this term is 3. So which is the largest one? 3 is the largest one. So the degree is 3. Okay. Next one. What is the degrees of this particular expression? So here all are variables. How many variables are there? 3 variables, x, y, z. There are 3 variables, x, y, z. So what is the degree of this particular term? 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 1 plus 1 plus 1, that equals to 3. The degree of height is always 0. So which is the largest one? 8. So the degree of this particular expression is 8. Okay. Okay. Next one. Move on to the exercise 2.1. Exercise 2.1. Find the degree of the polynomials. You all know about that one. So you have to do it in your own way. Okay. All are gone. Next move on to the second round. Which of the following expressions are polynomial in one variable? Which of the following expressions are polynomial in one variable and which are not? We already know that. First one, 3x square minus 2x plus 5. First of all, we have to check whether it is a polynomial or not. Is it a polynomial or not? Yes, it is a polynomial. So all are in x power 2, x power 1. So it is a polynomial format. So it is a polynomial. So is it a polynomial in one variable or not? Is it a polynomial in one variable or not? Here how many variables are used here? There is one variable, that is x. Next move on to the second term, x square plus root 2. Is it a polynomial or not? Yes, it is a polynomial. Yes, obviously here x power, you don't have to bother about the constant term. So you have to look on the x square. What is this one? X square. So it is a positive. It cannot. It is not in the form of fraction format, it is in positive integer format, so it is a polynomial. You have to check the variables of x carefully. So yeah, so it is a polynomial in one variable. That variable is x. Next, move on to the second one. P square minus 3p plus q. P square minus 3p plus q. How many terms are used here? There are two terms. Two variables. One is p and q. P and q. So what is the degree here? The degree is 2. Here the degree of this term is 2. The degree of this term is 1. The degree of this term is 1. So which is the largest one among those 2? So it is the degree is 2 here. Next, y plus 2 by y. Is it a polynomial or not? Y plus 2 into y power minus 1. 1 by y can be written as y power minus 1. In the 1 by x square can be written as x power minus 2. Yes, in the same way 2 by y can be written as 2 into y power minus 1. So it is a negative integer. It is a negative integer. So it is not at all a polynomial. Five root x. Here root can be written as, we already know that root x. 5 root can be written as x power 1 by x into root 5. Okay. Here x power is in the form of fraction format. Whenever the power is in fraction format or negative integer, it is not a polynomial. Here it is in fraction format, so it is not a polynomial. So next, move on to the last one. X power 100 plus y power 100. What is the degree here? The degree of this one is 100. The degree of this one is 100. Which is the largest one? Because both are equal, so the degree is also 100. Here, how many variables are used here? There are two variables. One is x and another one is y. Okay. We already know about the quotient. Quotient means previous term of that particular quotient. Suppose if we ask what is the quotient of root 5? What is the quotient of x here? The quotient of x is root 5. It can be written as root 5 x. So the quotient of x is root 5. Here the quotient of p is 3. Here the quotient of p square is 1. The quotient of x is minus 2. The quotient of x square is 3. So it is very simple. So do it in your own way. Next, classify the following as linear fourth Roman. Fourth Roman, classify the following as linear, quadratic and cubic polynomial. We already know that. If the degree is 1, it is called linear polynomial. If the degree is 2, it is called quadratic polynomial. If the degree is 3, it is called cubic polynomial. So first sum, 5x square plus x minus 7. 5x square plus I. What is the degree here? Here the degree is 2. 1, 0. What is the largest one? 2 is the largest one. So the degree is 2 here. Whenever the degree is 2, it is called the quadratic polynomial. So same process. All are same, Nana. So do it now. Yeah. We already know about the monomial, binomial, trinomial, multinomial. Monomial means only single term are there. Binomial, this is called the binomial. How many terms are used here? 2 terms. X square term, constant term. 2 terms. Okay. How many terms are there here? 1, 2, 3. 3 terms are there. So it is called trinomial. It is called trinomial. How many terms are used here? 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 terms are there. So it is also a trinomial. How many terms are there? 3. 1, 2, 3. So it is also a trinomial. If there are more than 3 terms, it is called multinomial. Okay. So if you have any doubts, contact me, Nana. Okay. Sorry.